The sad news reaching us this evening is that the Chief of Army Staff has been killed in a ill-fated plane crash. Mr. Ibrahim, or Major General Ibrahim Atahiru, has died in a plane crash. The incident occurred on no other place than Kaduna State. Kaduna State have been hit with a lot of protest about the sack of 7,000 workers to nurses below grade level 14. Now, the Chief of Army Staff, Major General Ibrahim Atahiru, has been killed in a plane crash. The Nigerian Chief of Army Staff was killed in a plane crash along others in his official visit in Kaduna State. Just remember that Mr. Atahiru was appointed Chief of Army Staff on January 26. He succeeded Toko or Major General Buratai. He was just 54. He was killed alongside other military chiefs who were on the same flight. The presidency has also been briefed concerning this sad news. The Nigerian Air Force has now also issued a statement confirming that there was a crash, but did not immediately say the personalities on board. But currently now, all news is all over the news. It has been confirmed that the Chief of Army Staff, Major General Ibrahim Atahiru, died in the plane crash. Now, so many Nigerians have been reacting to the death of this, not just Chief of Army Staff, and the death of other people, other generals also, who were in the same ill-fated plane crash. Now, this is how Fisayo Soyombo reacted to it, to the death of to the plane crash that claimed the life of the Chief of Army Staff and some others that were with him in the plane. He said in a normal country, the Chief of Army Staff and the 7 others had no business dying. 2 military aircraft crashes and another disappearance in just 1 year were enough prompting for internal assessment of the safety of these machines and the airspace in general. This is the second time that 2 military aircraft will crash. We have not got to the half of the year 2021. This is just May, the 5th month of the year, and 2 military aircraft is already crashing. It's sad to note. It's sad to realize that 2 military aircraft have crashed in just 1 year. Now, if there is any aircraft that should be strong, that the engine should be checked properly, it should be the military aircraft. But it's sad to report and to discover that the military aircraft, this is not just the first time it's happening. Just this year we have not got to the half of the year, 2 is already crashing. Garba Shehu has also reacted. The presidential spokesperson said President Muhammadu Buhari is deeply saddened over the air crash that claimed the Chief of Army Staff, Major General Ibrahim Atahiru, and other military officers. This is President Muhammadu Buhari's official Twitter handle. He is deeply saddened by the air crash that claimed the lives of the Chief of Army Staff, General Ibrahim Atahiru, and other military officers. All of them are heroes who paid the ultimate price for peace and security in the land. Now, is another update. This is an update for those who are breaking the wrong news. The Chief of Army Staff did not die in the ill-fated plane crash with his wife. Omoyele Sowore is confirming to you that the wife of the late Chief of Army Staff was not on board and didn't die in the plane crash that killed the Nigeria Chief of Army Staff and 10 others. This is Senator Shehu Sani in his reaction to the plane crash that claimed the life of the Chief of Army Staff and 10 others. He said the death of the Chief of Army Staff, Atahiru Ibrahim, and others in a plane crash is a national tragedy. May their souls rest in peace. And Bashar Ahmed has also reacted to the news of the plane crash that claimed the life of Nigerian generals. The Minister of Defense has briefed President Muhammadu Buhari on the plane crash that took the life of the Chief of Army Staff, General Ibrahim Atahiru, and others. It's so sad to hear. This is very, very sad. What should be done to prevent this series of plane crash that we are experiencing in our beloved country? A military Beechcraft 350 has crashed at the Kaduna International Airport. That's today, Friday, claiming all 8 souls on board, including the newly appointed Chief of Staff. This is how the Punch puts it. This ill-fated aircraft crashed at the airport's runway about 6 p.m. The aircraft has not even left. It crashed at the runway. All we are dead. Some videos, some immature videos were trending online where it was reported that the plane has already has already caught fire before the fire service people could get there. It's so sad, and this is not how we want to lose our generals. At least 17 military officers have lost their lives in the last 3 months in 3 crashes involving Nigerian Air Force jets. Please, we are asking, where are they acquiring these aircrafts? Are they checking the engines properly? On Sunday, February 21, 2021, 7 Nigerian Air Force officers died on board a Beechcraft King Air B350 when the jet crashed in Abuja. Also, on Wednesday, March 31, 2021, Nigerian Air Force spokesman Air Commodore Edward Gagwek said an Alpha jet aircraft involved in the anti-terror war against Boko Haram and Islamic State West African province lost radar contact in Borno. 2 officers were on board the missing jet, which was later declared crashed, and the whereabouts of the 2 airmen unknown till date. What is going on? Where are they acquiring this flying coffin in the name of jet, in the name of airplane? It is now a flying coffin, no longer an aircraft. And just in the space of, let's say, 5 months, we have lost so many generals, so many soldiers, when we don't have them many. I'm saddened with this news, and I'm not happy about it. And the presidency should look into this to make sure that a good and a brand new jet or airplane is purchased for the military, not a rickety one, what I call a flying coffin that we use to destroy those that are fighting for the to protect this country. So may the Lord give the families of these lost souls the fortitude to bear the loss. What do you think, guys, of the death of our generals? Just as I just read it out, this is the third time that we are hearing this. At least 17 military officers have lost their lives in the last 3 months in 3 crashes involving Nigerian Air Force jets. One happened on Sunday, February 21, this year 2021. 7 Nigerian Air Force officers died on board a Beechcraft King Air B350I when the jet crashed in Abuja. On Wednesday, March 31, 2021, Nigerian Air Force spokesman Air Commodore Edward Gagwek said an Alpha jet aircraft involved in the anti-terror war against Boko Haram and Islamic State West Africa province lost radar contact in Borno State. 2 officers were on board the missing jet, which was later declared crashed, and the whereabouts of the 2 airmen unknown till date. And then we are hearing this one today. What is going on? what is going on. Proper investigation should be made to ascertain what is actually happening to these jets, what is actually going on to these incessant crashes here and there. This is not how it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be this way. In fact, Major Lawal Haya, the IDC to the late Chief of Army Staff, was also among those who perished in the ill-fated military aircraft that crashed in Kaduna this evening. May the Lord give their families the fortitude to bear this great loss. Thank you, guys.